I wouldn't characterize the U.S. economy as going strong at all. I think it comes down to a case of beauty being in the eyes of the beholder. We have discrepancies and dichotomies in the data that I have not seen in my 40 years in this business. We have, for example, 3.1% growth year over year in real GDP, and of course, that gets all the attention. But there's been no growth in the past year in real gross domestic income. The gap between the spending accounts, which is what GDP is, and the income accounts has never been this wide before. We've had no growth at all in the past year in industrial production. And while you can argue that non-farm payrolls have remained robust, of course, every single month of non-farm payrolls, the previous month is being revised lower. But we have 1.8% growth in non-farm payrolls, but only 0.4% growth in the household survey. That's equivalent in terms of differential of almost 2 million jobs. So I would just submit to the viewers that if the payroll survey looked like the household survey, and the household survey is running flat, and all the jobs in the past year in that survey has all been part-time. But if you were going to replace the payroll survey with household survey, and you're going to replace GDP with GDI, you'd come to a different conclusion about the shape of the U.S. economy right now.